Oh, hi, mindful monkeys. Today, we're going to do one of my favorite kinds of breathing, mountain breathing. It always makes me feel so calm. All right, monkeys, sitting in the monkey position, pop one hand up and pop your finger here. Breathe in through your nose, going up the mountain, and out through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose, up the mountain, and out. Breathing in through your nose, and out through your mouth. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. Last one, in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Whoa, dudes! 'Cause you did that so well. I think you're up to the super challenge. Think you can try it again with your eyes closed? Pop your other hand up, monkeys. And pop your finger on the side. Close your eyes. Breathing in through your nose, up the mountain, and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Up the mountain, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Last one, in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Whoa, dudes. I feel so good, so good. But I gotta go. It's been real cool breathing with all of you. But I gotta go watch the sunset. Bye, everyone.